As we disembark the ship after a 12th day of an incredible cruise around the Mediterranean, our last stop is Marseille, France. Marseille is situated in the Provence region of southern France, and it overlooks the Mediterranean Sea. Marseille holds the title of second most populous city and the oldest city in France, which was founded by the Greek sailors around 600 BC. Morning from Marseille. We just arrived with the cruise ship and just waiting for our apartment to be ready. So we have an awesome location, beautiful French buildings all around, and we're I think on the second floor of the building. It's all restaurants and we're right by the port of Marseille, so it should be a fun time. We're just waiting at the Starbucks and enjoying Wi-Fi and some food and drinks, and then we should be able to check in a few hours. There's our building. So, beautiful building and a great location. Lots to see here. Hello. You guys are already fixing stuff? Our apartment. It's
a big one.
Yep. Nice. Ceilings are really high, which is so nice. 2-bathroom. Nice closet. We can even wash our laundry. Very nice.
Hey! Fuck you!
Italy, it's France.
Oh, right.
Stupid.
Hey, shut up, you! No, you shut up!
You had to say that in French.
It's a little baby food. It's a little baby food with this.
Ferme la bouche!
This vibrant and dynamic city has drawn people from all over the world for many years. And if you're wondering what the best way to get around the city is, Marseille is easy on foot, since most of the neighborhoods are pedestrian friendly and easy to navigate. Another great thing to know about Marseille is that it is a slightly cheaper place to visit than some other French Riviera cities like Nice and Cannes, and it has a bit more of an urban bohemian feel. The beautiful port and various beaches also make it a great alternative to Paris. And if you're wondering if Marseille is safe for tourists, although Marseille does have a rough past, but it strives to change for the better. We felt very safe on our few days visiting this beautiful city. All right. There's a carousel. This is a nice street. We're gonna. All right.
Going on to Egypt?
Huh?
Are you going on or not?
Where?
It's supposed to stop.
Yep. Evan, we're going on.
I'm going on.
All right. Here we are, husband.
How's it going?
Second last day of the trip.
We're here.
Sitting,
Marseille.
sitting in Marseille Cafe.
Hi.
You say hi, I'm here.
Yep. I gotta get used to
Another
that.
cafe. All right, did you take a video of the authentic creme brulee?
Sugar.
Oh yeah.
How is it?
Thoughts?
At the old port of Marseille, you can enjoy the pleasure of watching all the tour and fishing boats and personal yachts while you enjoy the dining at one of many stunning restaurants along the harbor. Another unique experience is getting your fish straight from the fishermen after only a few hours of them catching it. It doesn't get any fresher than that.
Wow, a lot of police trying to get through.
Baguettes. I'm a true French person walking with baguettes. And Evan is eating them while I'm walking. Yeah, very cool.
Cafe.
No.
We.
Marseille.
Going through Marseille at night. Last stop.
For the
Euro trip
ultimate
2023.
Euro trip.
It's pretty amazing. Welcome to Marseille.
Yeah. Let it be. Look at this port.
When the night is clouded, there is still a light that shines on me. Shine on until tomorrow. Let it be. I wake up to the sound of music. Madame Mary comes to me. There will be no sorrow.
Built in 1850s, one of the most famous landmarks is the Catholic Basilica, the Notre Dame de la Garda, which is located on the top hill overlooking the sea and the city. During the time of our travel to Marseille, it was the Rugby World Cup, which made the city even more vibrant and lively. We just love sitting at one of these cafes, listening to all the fans cheering their favorite teams.
Can't get
As our few days in Marseille come to a close, we take so many unforgettable memories home with us from our European vacation that will last us a lifetime. Hope you enjoyed our family vlog, but now it's time to get on a flight back to Toronto, Canada.